All right, please take a moment and just hang with me here before you see the video. This is a gentle, kind warning. This video is really to make my subscribers laugh. That's all. You know, today, more than ever, we need laughter with all that's going on. I'm putting myself out there, honestly, by posting this video. But hopefully, something in it will make you smile or laugh, which is really important. Now, I'd like to keep this on YouTube, but ultimately, it's going to be about you and how you take this video. So I need your help with that like button and especially posting a comment. Look, if it makes you laugh in any way or smile, post a comment. It's really important. If it makes you fall off your chair, post a comment. And P.S., if you want more comedy every so often, let me know. One of the things I was known for when I was younger and even as I get older is to do silly things and have some fun, because again, we need more laughter in the world we live in. Oh, geez. Hello. What are you doing calling me on this phone? I'm about to do a review on this phone. You could have chirped me. I got the Nextel right here. You could have just chirped me. It would have been so easy. But no, you didn't do it. I'm not calling you back. You know how painful it is to call people back on this phone? I understand it's new technology, but this thing, they need to make like one button and you dial somebody. But I can't do this. Oh, round. Oh, all right, I'm going to call you back. But next time, you got to get me on the chirp. All right? I'm calling you right back. Jeez. Oh, pain in the butt. Oh, my God. My finger's already hurting. Yeah. I called you back. What's going on? I know Uncle Joey needs Depend underwear, but I don't have time to run to the store to get those. All right? The boxes are huge these days. You know what he needs to do? He needs to start using cloth. After you do what you got to do, you just put it in the washer and you wash it. And you're not wasting. What do you think happens to these diapers, Anyway, I got to go. I got to do this review, all right? We'll talk later, but next time chirp me, all right? I got the Nextel right over here. All right. So, guys, I'm here to just really review this product, okay? And I just want to show you, it's a nice looking phone, first of all right? As you could see, this thing has all of the numbers, first of all. It's got the rotary, it's beautiful. The rotary works well, although your finger starts to hurt after you start dialing a second person. Now, it's got a stereo a speaker. I don't know if it's stereo. I'm not going to kid you. I don't even know if it's stereo. But it sounds good. Your microphone's not bad at all, as you can see, but you got to clean this because, germs accumulate right here. Yeah. All right. Now, if, you want to make a quick call and you don't want to hang up, you just go like that. It's got an actual button on the top. You see that? Now, if someone's calling in, you don't want to hang up, you just go like that, you switch over, you talk to that person. So it's not bad. Now, this cord, let me tell you, is a quality cord. Don't ask me the length. I'm not telling you the length, okay? Everybody in all the videos. How long's the cord? What's the gauge? Listen, it's a telephone. Forget about the length. Forget about the gauge, all right? If you want, you can buy a longer one. All right, you can. All right. Now, if we look at the right side of the phone here, you could see it's shiny black. If you look at the left side of the phone, it's got the cord coming out. Not too bad. And then on the back, you got the actual cord that has to go in the wall. Ah, that's right. This isn't wireless. You people are confused. Every day you want to use a wireless phone. No, you connect this to the wall. And, but honestly, I got to tell you, I really appreciate my Nextel. You know what I mean? I chirp like you wouldn't believe I chirp. and it's a great way for me to communicate. So I'm preferring this, but I still have this. You know, it's a good model. I figured I would do a review on it. Now, the bottom of the phone, it's just, you know, you could adjust the volume. As you can see here, it's got a volume rocker. All right, it doesn't have a lot of play, so loud would be this way, low would be that way. And this is really the ringer, by the way. It's not the volume of the phone. You don't have a choice on that one. All right, so yeah, that's my review. And if you want to pick it up, I'm going to put a link in the description for you. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. Come on, you know what we do here. All right, and if you want to subscribe to the channel, I'm going to put a round logo there in a moment. It's coming up in a moment. My social media will be on top. I got a Tesla channel. Don't ask me how I got a Tesla channel when I got a phone like this, but oh. And then anyway, there you go. That's what you're going to click if you want to subscribe to this channel. You have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.